What up, guys? Aaron here, Scorpion Avenger, and for the first time, let me introduce y'all to CJ.
Hey everybody, what's up? How's it hanging?
I have to explain, at the time I joined YouTube, he was living in Hawaii at the time, and he just got down here like yesterday, so this is the first time he's being in one of my videos, so ain't no better way to welcome them with a Burp Contest. Yeah, if you see me doing stupid shit, don't be surprised. I've been hanging around Anthony way too much. I'm so not surprised.
Nope, not surprised at all. I got the first one. Yeah, man, that was a good one right there.
You're playing those.
You should have heard me after every fast food joint.
Oh, holy crap.
Yeah, during the road trip, we stopped at a couple places that we haven't seen in 4 years, like Sonic and Golden Corral.
Oh, God.
They don't have any Sonics or Golden Corrals in Hawaii, by the way.
Damn.
Like, the only Sonic in Hawaii is on the island of Maui, which is the island I was not living on. I was living on the island of Oahu.
Damn.
And I never left it in 4 years. I was one of 2 family members that was the only one that never left the island of Oahu. Everyone else did.
Damn. Yeah, you ever notice at the Golden Corrals now? I don't know if you ever noticed, they got that chocolate waterfall thing
Yeah,
now.
the chocolate fountain.
Yeah.
Yeah, when I saw that, I was like, what is that? Chocolate fountain? Yeah. See, they made Golden Corral commercials aired in Hawaii, but there wasn't a single Golden Corral restaurant. Every time I saw that commercial, I'm like, this is torture. I'm like,
wow, how ironic.
There were Sonic commercials, Golden Corral commercials, but not a single one on the island of Oahu. I'm like, this is freaking torture! Stop torturing me! There are no Golden Corrals on this island. And there are no Sonics. And of course, they had a Starbucks coffee every few feet.
Yeah.
Every complex, if you went to every 5-star hotel, if you went to every shopping mall, every outlet mall, there was a Starbucks coffee.
Oh.
Like one time I even saw a Starbucks coffee across
Hey,
the street.
good morning, everybody.
Across the
Time
street
to
from
get
each other.
hyper.
Across the street from each other. I was like,
Hey.
are you kidding me right now? Across the street from each other?
Really?
Really?
Seriously? What's the point of having another Starbucks nearby if there's already one there?
There was like
Like,
one on this side of the street and one on this side of the street. I'm like, seriously? You couldn't be 2 blocks from each other?
Man. I just finished the rest of mine. Still got some left in yours, huh?
Yeah.
Dang.
It's about a quarter of a can left.
That ain't bad. See, I learned this from Seth. I learned right before you burp to try and take a little air and just let it all out at once. That's usually how he does it.
Yeah, like you just wait and you're like, wait for it. Or eat like the biggest meal you can find at the nearest McDonald's or Burger King, and then when you're left, you're like.
I gotta show you a couple of the ones we did after we're done.
He said, pull over, why? Because I got a belt coming that might break your windows. And then you pull over, and then
I'd be like, Oh shit.
And then like, bus driver, pull over. I got a boat coming that might break your windows. I'd be like,
Damn.
oh, one's coming. No, hold it in, hold it in. Silence. Somebody better say, excuse me.
Yeah, you have to excuse us. I mean, this is the first time I've seen him in 4 years. And this is the first time he's ever been in one of my videos, so it has been way too long.
Yeah. Isolated for 4 years. In the middle of the Pacific Ocean on an island where they got no fun restaurants. The only fun ones they have were Burger King and McDonald's.
Damn.
That was it. No Sonic, no Golden Corral, no buffets whatsoever.
Shit.
And if you want to go surfing, I recommend the North Shore on Oahu during the winter season, or Waikiki Beach in downtown Honolulu.
That was a decent one.
Thank you. Now the tourist attractions. Let's see. There's Sea Life Park on the windward side. There's Makapu'u Lighthouse also on the windward side. There's Waikiki Beach. There's the North Shore. There's Atlantis submarine rides. There's Pearl Harbor. You name it. And they have this big water park too. It's called Wet and Wild.
I just can't wait till the day we get to go to Blue Bayou again.
Blue Bayou.
That might have to wait till next weekend, though, actually.
Yep. It's also scheduled to ring for tomorrow. Sid Phillips reporting. The Blue Bayou Water Park has been closed due to severe weather.
You're just about done with that, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so that's pretty much it. So, we'll see you guys later.
Yep. Later, people.